Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and giving you guys the approximate value of my Sephora Playbox from the month of July. The theme for this month's Playbox was the good stuff, and this bag is not the good stuff. It is super boring and a drawstring, and it's going straight in the trash. This pamphlet, on the other hand, is pretty cute, but it is always really cute. They do a very good job with designing this. Whoever their graphic designer is should get like big high five, because their pamphlets are always really cute and super well designed and informative, so I really love them. I'll stop rambling and just tell you what's in it. Basically, as always, every month you get a little card for 50 extra Beauty Insider points, and then this handy dandy pamphlet opens up and it tells you exactly what you got in your box, why they picked it, and how to use it. This month's pamphlet was really cool as well because on the reverse side it actually has a list of ingredients and products that you should be looking for to kind of help hydrate your skin in the summer months, and it's also got some different foods up here that you should be eating to help keep your skin looking nice and healthy. So I just thought this was really cool. Again, props to their graphic designer, but it's awesome that they included some very informative tips and hints for you to keep your skin nice and healthy, stuff that you can do just on the everyday outside of your makeup and skincare routine. First up is this little sample. It's not a perfume sample, which is amazing. It is the BRIOGEO Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. Now, I love BRIOGEO, I love their Rosarco line, I love their charcoal line, and I will not be using this. And the only reason why is because I don't do anything to my hair other than wash it, and that's it. I don't blow dry it, I really don't style it, I don't use any heating tools on it, so I really don't need this. This will definitely be going to somebody who does use this though, because I highly recommend literally all of their Rosarco products. I've used, I think, literally all of them, and I love them. So everyone except for this one is made for me. The first product that I got is this Allergenist Genius Liquid Collagen. This thing is super cool looking. It's clear with like little yellow bubbles in it, and those little like pearly bubble thingies dissolve literally as soon as you touch them and rub them into your face. This product is very expensive, so I will not be purchasing a full size. However, I did like the look of my skin after using this product. So I just wish it was cheaper, because the full size is $115. So because the full size is so expensive, this little sample size is actually worth a lot of money as well. It's actually worth about $14.18. I also got another serum in this box, which is a lot cheaper, thankfully. This is the Chorus Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Oil. This definitely works. My skin looked super glowy and hydrated and just beautiful and summery after using this product. However, the biggest downside is that it really smells like roses. Like, it smells like grandma's perfume all up in your face. So that's kind of not great. I don't hate it. I will definitely still use it, but that scent is super overpowering at first. It kind of eventually goes away after a couple of minutes, but whoo boy, it is really stinky. And like I said, the price for the full size of this serum is a lot more reasonable, so this little sample size is worth about $7.20. I also got this BioSense Squalene and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. As you can see, it is unopened. This has soy in it, so unfortunately I have not been able to use it, and I will be giving it to somebody else. But the approximate retail value, which I do include in the full value of the Playbox, is about $3.12. And then last but not least, I got 2 Tarte products in this box, which is incredible. I love Tarte. Super excited about these. The first one is this little Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in the shade Salt Life. I am currently wearing it. As you can see, it's kind of like a muted pinky mauve. It's just super pretty. The formula on these lipsticks is absolutely amazing. I own, I think, at least one of these, and I wish I had the entire collection because the color range is right up my alley and the formula is incredible. And I know the sample size looks kind of small, but don't let the packaging fool you. There's actually a lot of product in here, and the same goes for pretty much all of their Tarte lipsticks that I've gotten a sample size. There's a lot of product in these things. So the actual approximate retail value is about $6.13. I also got one of their Amazonian Clay blushes in the shade party. There's 3 A's, so you have to say it like that. It's the law. Now, I don't want to complain too hard about this because I love the Tarte blushes. I just love Tarte in general, but their blushes are really pretty. I have a bunch of them already, but unfortunately I have this one as well. This was actually in the little duo birthday gifts that you get at Sephora from last year. So they had the party blush, and then they had the birthday suit Tarteist lip paint as a duo for the birthday gift. So that kind of sucks. It just kind of feels like they're giving us the samples from last year, if that makes sense. Like, it's not a new product or anything like that. A bunch of people, I'm sure, from Sephora that get the Playbox already have this because we got them last year as our birthday gift. So that kind of is not the best, but the product itself is amazing. I'm wearing it right now. It's just like a super kind of pretty mauve-y pink. I'm actually not wearing this one. I'm gonna give it away, but I'm wearing the one that I already have that's already pretty. So it's just a pretty blush. The other little thing that's probably just kind of a picky thing is that the clasp is actually broken on it, which isn't great either. I could probably get them to send me a replacement, and I might try it actually, since I want to give this to somebody. But yeah, it's just kind of a weird, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I like the blush, I like the product, I just don't like that we've gotten it before, and the fact that it's broken just doesn't really help. So that is everything that I got in my Sephora Playbox for the month of July. If you are not keeping track, the approximate retail value is about $38.40, which is not bad at all. Honestly, if I hadn't already had the Tarte blush from the Sephora birthday gift from last year, I would have loved this box even more because I love Tarte products. So I was just kind of a little up in the air about this box. Didn't love it, didn't hate it, loved the Tarte lipstick though. So highly recommend those. If you're ever looking for nice lipsticks, check out Tarte lipsticks. Anyways, I will stop rambling. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? You're missing out. Go, do it. And while you're down in the down bar, you might as well check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. I would love to see you there. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.